nice, you know. I like it cool. It's all here the same weather, right? 19 degrees, 20 degrees.
What's that? Oh, is that?
No, I'm asking you.
Smithsonian Conservation Hub. We're working with partners there to try and raise up, I think, for us. So there you go. So now you're seeing that spots I was talking about, that nice white underbelly. There she goes, climbing up. Yes, she is excellent climb. Shawl that she has on her too. So hopefully you guys are getting a quick glimpse of her. Now seeing my friends at the top and the back are seeing her, so that's great. So yeah, so that's just a quick glimpse of our jaguar. So that's Shaba. That is our female elephant on over there. We have 4 elephants here in total. We have 1 female, 3 male, and I can tell that's our female because she has the longest tusk out of all of our elephants. And one of the things that they do with our elephants is actually give them pedicures. Because as you can imagine, being right. Well, when he is flapping those ears, not only is it cooling him off on the outside, he actually has thousands of blood vessels on the inside of his ear that helps regulate his body temperature on the inside. So here at our zoo, we like to say our elephants have a great form of ear conditioning. Oh yeah, I got 1 or 2 chuckles, there we go. See, I'm trying to find some food as well. Now those piles of dirt that we have around their habitat too, what they'll do is actually throw the dirt on their backs to cool them off. It's like a form of sunscreen for elephants. And as they're watching from Yellowstone National Park and then brought here to our zoo, and it's because they're learning some bad. They've got plenty to eat, plenty to roam, and of course safe away from those humans. Now, I would love to stay here and talk more about them, but I think my timing is going to get a good look at his face. And one of the unique things about these bears too, so even though they are omnivores, eat veggies and meat, they can actually eat over 700 different varieties of.
It's like all fans, which I thought was sweet.